Hi, my name is Wan. I'm a leadership coach based in Singapore. In this session, I would like to share something about dialogue as described by David Bohm. David Bohm is a US-based physicist and philosopher. If you would like to know more about his history and his experience, you can refer to this Wikipedia page. According to David, this is how he described dialogue. Dialogues come from the Greek word dialogos. Logos means the word, or in our case, you would think of the meaning of the word. And he means true. It doesn't not mean two. The picture or image that this derivation suggests is of a stream of meaning flowing to and through us and between us, of which will emerge a new understanding. It's something creative, and this shared meaning is a glue or cement that holds people and society together. David Bohm, 1990. This is how David described dialogue. Actually, in the dialogue, it's a process of the flow of meaning, and to the meaning, we not knowing each other better, we probably have a new understanding for the topic that we have, and with the new meaning and understanding, there may be shared meaning among the participants in the dialogue. And you may ask, how do we start a dialogue? Think of a few ways you can start a dialogue. You may pause this video if you need more time. To start a dialogue, David and the other two authors, Donald and Peter, have written a paper. It's called Dialogue Proposal. In dialogue, first factor is very important: suspension of thoughts, impulses, and judgment. Because in dialogue, we are trying to find meaning, try to understand each other. So thoughts, impulse, judgment may not be helpful in the session. And dialogue involves attention, listening, and looking, and essential to exploration. In the process of dialogue, we are not just exchange words, we are observing how the exchange of words affecting us in terms of emotion and body reaction. That's why looking is part of the suspension, because we want to see or observe the body reaction. Anyway, our body may react to the discussion, either tense, relax, rejection, acceptance, nodding. And also in attention, we also observe what happened to us, what's our thought process, what comes to us as a thought. So the first factor in starting a dialogue is suspension. Second factor is numbers. They will propose at least 20 to 40 people seated facing one another in a circle, and he believed this group size of 20 to 40 allow for emergence and observation of different subgroups and subculture that may help to review some of the ways in which thought operates collectively. In my opinion, the word is that is in focus is collectively. Third factor is duration, and he believes we need time for the new understanding and meaning to emerge. He described it would be very optimistic to assume that a dialogue would begin to flow or move towards any Greek text during its first meeting. And in his opinion, 2 hours is optimum, and he believed there's no limit to how long a dialogue group may continue its exploration. That it would be contrary to the spirit of dialogue for it to be fixed or institutionalized. And about leadership, dialogue is a conversation between equals, sorry. And he also believed in the beginning a facilitator may be helpful. And about the subject matter, any subject of interest to the participants is fine. And if you like to know more about dialogue, especially the work of David in dialogue, refer to this resource. Thank you.